Hi, this is Vijay Bambwani here, and I'm back with you in this video to talk about a critical trade update that we recently wound up for the weekly cash alert service, and I'm talking of the natural gas trade. You see, yesterday I recorded a video why the Hong Kong-based typhoon Nangka was unlikely to impact natural gas traders who, if at all, have any short sales in natural gas counter, were unlikely to be adversely impacted by Nangka because it was a level 8 typhoon, unlike the level 10 typhoon Mangkhut, which hit Hong Kong in 2018. Also, there were indications that Nangka was veering away from Hong Kong and it was not going to make a landfall. The only impact of Nangka would be heavy rains, very strong winds, shutdown of school, colleges, and the financial markets. In spite of that, many of my subscribers would have got a surprise because I sent out an alert to square up the natural gas short position, a very token position of no more than 10% exposure of the usual trade size, because the natural gas trade was expected to span over a couple of expiries, taking advantage of the summer-winter pricing. Now, I want to explain to you why what happened did happen. You see, the answer lies in the trading tutorial videos that you would have seen more than 6 months ago in the weekly cash alert service platform. If you actually refer to the stop loss segment, you will see that there are various types of stop losses that I use. One is a technical analysis based stop loss, wherein a price point on the chart is used as an anchor point to enter and exit trades. The other is a financial stop loss, wherein a certain amount of money is lost and the trade is closed. And there are other stop losses as well, like in an intraday basis, the ATP versus the LTP, etc. Now, in this particular trade, what I did notice was that the previous trade in September, in which we made a quick profit of more than 16% in shorting natural gas, was under threat of being lost. In spite of the fact that Typhoon Nangka was unlikely to hit Hong Kong hard, prices in the evening of natural gas futures started to rise against expectations. Now, probably the markets knew something more than what I did, and therefore I was faced with a choice. Either stick to a system which I had made myself for my subscriber, or breach that system, take chances of deepening those losses even further, and get out with an even steeper loss. It would be highly illogical for a trader to make a rule and then flout it himself. So when the loss was coming within a kissing distance of the previous profit, I decided to pull the plug and I pressed the kill switch, which is why we basically squared up even that token amount of trades that we had in natural gas futures and decided to exit. Remember, the hurricane season in the US is extended to November, so there will be many more opportunities of getting in and getting out. And is there a possibility of natural gas prices coming down immediately after we've squared up our trade? Do remember that it managed to rise 2 rupees 20 paise even after we squared our shorts. So is there a possibility that it will come down? Yes, it might. It might give you heartburn, but a trading system is a trading system. A trader who breaches the rules of trading made by himself will basically be trading illogically, and that is what I did not want to do for my subscribers. I hope this reasoning comes across to you as a discipline that we will follow even in the future trades that we initiate. And luckily, since this trade exposure was extremely light, no more than 10% of what we would do normally, all we have lost is a little less than the profit that we earned in the previous trade. Our financial year is still net in the gains, and we still have a chance, a very good chance, of beating last year's returns, which I will attempt, as I have assured you many a times. On this optimistic note, this is Vijay Bambani signing off for now. Till we meet again in my next video. Do take very good care of yourself, your health, your family, your trades and investments. Have a very profitable day. Signing off for now. Thank you for watching.